Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tools and gadgets to make your projects easier and more efficient. Today, we're diving into one of the top-rated laser levels on the market, the Huepar Laser Level 360 Self-Leveling Crossline. If you're looking for a powerful, easy-to-use, and accurate leveling tool, this is the one for you. So let's take a closer look at what makes this the best level laser self-leveling crossline. First, let's talk about the key feature that sets this laser level apart, the 3x360 degrees laser lines. This feature gives you full 360-degree coverage in both vertical and horizontal directions, providing a comprehensive and clear view of your project area. Whether you're aligning furniture, installing a shelf, or setting up pictures, the Huepar laser ensures precision from every angle, ensuring you don't have to keep adjusting your tool as you work around your space. The self-leveling function is another major benefit. This laser level will automatically level itself within a range of plus or minus 4 degrees, making it effortless for you to get perfect results every time. No need to spend extra time manually adjusting to make sure everything is straight. And if the laser is out of level, the tool will alert you, so you know when to adjust, ensuring consistent accuracy. Another feature that you'll appreciate is the rechargeable battery. The Huepar laser level comes with a built-in 3.7 volts 2000 mAh lithium battery that offers long-lasting power. This rechargeable battery means you won't need to constantly buy new batteries, saving you money and reducing waste. You can easily charge it using a USB cable, making it convenient to use even in areas with limited outlets. If you're worried about portability, the Huepar laser level has you covered. It comes with a hard carry case, making it easy to store and transport from one project to the next. The durable case ensures the tool stays safe during transit and also provides additional storage for accessories, like the magnetic bracket and charging cable, so you can keep everything in one place. Speaking of the magnetic bracket, this is another great addition. The strong magnets on the bracket allow you to securely attach the laser level to any metal surface, freeing up your hands for other tasks while the laser level does its job. This is especially useful when you're working on metal studs or any project where you need precise alignment without a lot of manual effort. The green laser light is another standout feature. Compared to red lasers, the green light is much more visible, even in bright environments. This makes it easier to see your lines clearly, whether you're working indoors or in a well-lit outdoor area. Now, let's talk about versatility. This laser level is perfect for a variety of applications, whether you're a professional contractor, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone hanging pictures. The 3x360 degrees laser lines ensure that you can cover large areas efficiently, while the ability to easily switch between different line configurations gives you maximum flexibility for any project. Overall, the Huepar Laser Level 360 Self-Leveling Crossline Laser Leveler is a high-quality tool that combines advanced technology, user-friendly features, and exceptional accuracy. Whether you're setting up a new project, aligning furniture, or installing pictures, this tool will help you achieve perfect results every time. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of top-rated products. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be testing out more tools to help you get the job done right.